Hey babe.
Hi Snookums.
Hey baby. You babes. So it's Valentine's Day.
And I just want to tell you a couple of words I've been meaning to get off my chest.
You know say, I don't know what but boy, I just love you. You know it's been a while since we've been together.
You know that you brighten up my day every day.
I wake up every morning thinking about you. Like we've been through so much pain, so much love. For the first time I see it, it's like I just know say yo, I forget you.
You know that I love the way that you call me Boopsy and Cutie and Teddy Bear.
Your morning breath just take me away. I just the dog face them way you make. At the same time, you know how much I love you and appreciate you.
Don't mind what those other people say. You're not fat. 300 pounds is really regular.
I just want to show you say you have my heart, my mind, my liver, my lungs, my tribe, everything. You're the rainbow after the storm. Like I love you that much and so much. I never really expressed my feelings like this for a girl before. I'm gonna show you that I really care about you by taking you out tonight.
So, Pum Pum Maran. The fuck you mean, you fat bitch? What?
Bitch, really?
What you mean? After my bumbo class say all of that, you are gonna look at me and tell me no? Hey little girl, how much money my bumbo class spent on you?
Every time we go out, your fat ass is the first one done.
You make me spend too much fucking money for you and I not get no pussy.
Me tell you, I never do this yet for no woman, you know?
That girl I'm mad. So I spend all of my money for try to impress you and I not get no pussy.
And your bumbo class sit down and listen to me. I know so me that gonna ask for pum pum. And when me ask for pum pum, me I gonna say no. You wicked in a me left here, man.
Me love you, me love you, me love you. You never wonder, girl, if me love true. Me love you, me love you, me love you. All of me love you, we can't do. Me love you, me love you, me love you. You never wonder, girl, if me love true. Me love you, me love you, me love you.